Yes, welcome back to all and explore, my people. As when I say, the past is history, future is a mystery, present is a gift. Let's accept it gracefully. Well, this is the present, you know, not a very present gift at the moment, because today is the October the how much today again? Today is 25th. October the 25th. Yeah, man. This is about 2:30 p.m. Yeah, man, and this is the sea condition where we have, people. Yeah, man. Very, very terrible things are going. You know Melissa out there. And this is what Melissa giving us. This is right on the east point of Portland and St. Thomas. The border is about half of a kilometer to the left, that way. The border of St. Thomas and Portland. Yeah, man. So you see the kind of weather that we have. And the storm is out that side. You can see people. Yeah, man. Very terrible seas already. Override the rocks them. But them rock here is like 100 meters above the sea level. You understand? Like 100 meters above the sea level. So you know them water there, you know? It have to rise very high to come over them rock here, but we have some terrible sea condition here. Alright, viewers. So this is what Melissa is giving us. A lot of breeze blowing in. I don't know well or no hearing me. Yeah, man. But me have to catch some of them clip here for you to see. Yeah. The breeze out to blow me away. We having stormy weather already, and it is not here as yet. You understand? Yeah, man. Very strong breeze. We're getting a little rain, not too much heavy rain as yet, but we're getting a little rain. Yeah, but the sea is going on. Terrible, people. Terrible. Very terrible. Yeah, man. Alright, so I'm going to move on from this spot and go to the next location to see exactly what's going on. But that is the weather. See the rain outside the east point there. And as me explain to that direction is St. Thomas. Just about half of a kilometer that way is the border of St. Thomas and Portland. And this direction is going into Portland. Alright? So yes, viewers, as I said, this is on the very east point of Portland. Just about half of a kilometer away from the border of St. Thomas and Portland. So this is the extreme east. Yeah, man, and we're having terrible weathers up here. Terrible weather now. Sea extremely rough. The rain is not that battering as yet, but the sea is extremely rough and stuff. And we start to get slight storm weather breeze. So just trying to showcase some of what's going on. I can see water upon the car. I like to see St. Thomas Road stay now.
Stay now where you because no heavy rain, no heavy rain no down. If it rain in the hills and the river come down, come through, that way different, but the rain in the hills so much. You can't catch little of this.
Yes, my viewers, so me there almost at the same area, not too far apart, you know. Understand? Not too far from where I was around the other side there, so. But I want to give you a better view of where the sea look like. Alright? So Me come closer to this side. And the sea is like raging, people. Yeah man, the sea is like raging. Look at that. The breeze out for blow me away from here so too. Terrible breeze. Look at them wave there all the way out there so. I know the camera now do no justice on the height of the wave them, you know, but it a go on bad and the breeze a blow hard. So around that side is where me coming from a moment ago. Yeah, around that side is where me coming from a moment ago. Alright. So the storm is not too far off, people, as what them say by tomorrow, Sunday, Monday. And this is the east point of Portland as me explained. Whoa! So we have some terrible sea condition already. Come on. And them like man, we're not having, the breeze is not that strong as yet. Yeah man, the breeze is not that strong as yet. The breeze just barely come up off of the sea, but we don't reach the part of the breeze that is terrible as yet. Yeah man, so we have a lot of rain across that side. We're not getting the lashing rain as yet, but you know, all them little board shop here on the edge of the sea cliff there. I don't know how them are going to work out when the real weather come. But we shall see. Come on. Breeze start to pick up. And this system don't look like it's a joke system, people. This look like it going to deal with Jamaica wicked, especially on the east point here, so yeah. Can hear the wind howling. Wind a blow strong. Yeah, man, the wind a blow that go on bad. The sea extremely rough. Very rough. Alright, so I'm going to go a little further up on the road and see what the condition is like around here. You know, so I'm going to take a little drive, go a little further up on the road and then come back around. Them on the hills turn over. Not turn over, but no breeze now. It's alright. Breeze that blow over, then jump it, leave the other flip over more.
Breadfruit, the palm tree, the maca breadfruit.
Yes, viewers, I don't know how well the phone I can show you this, but you see the peninsula there out there, so the water beat over it all, but look there. Terribly, people, I tell you, say, with the, as one know, as when I said today, this is about 3, I'm going near to 3 p.m. now, and 3 p.m. on the 25th of October, so you know, say, the storm is a far distant away, a very far distant away, but look at the condition of the sea, on them low line area. This is in Mansion Hill. I even not go around at the fishing beach. The fishing beach is around that corner. Yeah, right around that corner around there, so a big fishing beach around here with a lot of boat, a lot of fishermen here. That is a big fishing beach. But when you have not go around this, look how high this the wave going at this sky this a while ago over the rock. So many have not go around this, so but the sea, this is a harbour, you know, so you know right here, so it's not going to be all that rough as much as you see this rough. But if you look on the outside of where the peninsula, look there, the peninsula a block off the heavy pressure from coming inside here, so you know, said that is what cause in here, so it not be too rough, but it also rough just the same. You understand? But as what I say, man, the storm is so far away and it look like this. Just imagine. Boy, I wish we could have go out near that peninsula they go video, but boy, the wave never gone terrible out there. Yeah, man. Let a wash over in that place, you know. Yeah, man, the breeze I get a little stronger. See all them wave that we lick up around them landside around, so look them, man. Jesus. If the storm is so far away and it look like this right now, look at that. And it is like this right now. Everybody on the low line areas, people, wanna take heed. Take heed and leave. Look at that. The water that go up in the air and come down back, you know. Sometimes you even not catch it when it fly up. Alright. Yeah, man, as I said, this is in Mansion Hill. Mansion Hill is a very low area. Down over in hectares where I'm coming from. Over on the border, look at them wave there lick. Oh man, terrible, terrible people. Why the wave condition them not look good. The sea are going bad and it are going to get worse. Yes, viewers, so I make it back home. Yeah, man, up on top of the roof. And look what I go on. Yeah, man. And I get no strong breeze as yet. I get shower after shower. You know, get some shower after shower, but we now get no strong breeze as yet. Man, so a lot of plump on the tree. You know, the breeze blow can chew off a whole heap of them here and damage the tree. A whole heap of plumb up the people. So it go, part of life. Yeah, man, so
I'm gonna see what I go on from here so on. Come on, so we don't know how long we are gonna have electricity for and stuff, so that we still have internet and so can post video or whatever. But we see some clip, and as soon as we can get them out, we get them out. Alright, yes viewers, thanks for watching this one. Not a very pleasant one, but that's how it goes. Okay.